Good morning, or good evening, good afternoon, whatever time of day you happen to be watching this. For me, it's morning. We're going on a morning nature hike. I'm super excited. I'm going out with my bestie, and I'm bringing you guys with me. We're going to hopefully get some educational content on Michigan native wildlife. Whatever we can find out there, I'll film and share it with you. It'll be a learning experience for me, too. I don't know everything that lives in Michigan, so I've got my books with me, and it's going to be a good time. It's going to be a little bit slice of lifey, a little bit of background information on me, a little bit of my thoughts, and I don't know, we're just going to see what happens. I hope you enjoy. You're watching Skies to Live at Exotics, and this is our adventure today. We're hanging out in West Michigan today, so that gives you an idea of what kind of wildlife to expect. We just went to some nature trails and just hung out. We saw a little bit of neat stuff. The first thing we saw were some plants that were blooming for spring. We were so happy to see these lovely, lovely violets all over the place at the first place we visited. They were absolutely stunning, and they were kind of everywhere. I am incredibly grateful for the friends and family that I have that support me. I know I have a good chunk of people in my corner, but not everyone understands my passion. I've learned to live with that. Reptiles aren't for everyone, and that's fine. I am just so grateful for those that do. It really means the world for me and makes it all worth it. This is a really cool plant we just found. It's some wild onion grass. It smells really nifty. I believe this to be a garden or stone centipede, which is actually native to Europe, but is quite common throughout North America. Under this log, we also found a boatload of isopods. It was pretty cool. Fun little millipede! Isopods, worms.
Oh my god.
Holy isopods. Pretty cool stuff. If you're not from around here, you might not know that we actually have black squirrels. They are melanistic gray squirrels, but they are everywhere. If you can spot them in there, there's a little chipmunk hanging out on this log. There was also a gray squirrel in the area, which is why he kind of froze there for us. It was so cute. And yes, I understand that most people know what a squirrel is, but it was nice to see them so active today. They were definitely getting ready for summertime. So, earlier we found onion grass. This is garlic grass. You can tell by the curve in the stem. Bestie taught me that. I think it's pretty awesome. Not every log flip can be a win, though, and some of them were just regular old earthworms, which are neat in their own sense, don't get me wrong. Don't know what that was, didn't get a close enough look at it, but it's still fun flipping them, and sometimes we did find things, like this blue spotted salamander, or even this red-backed salamander. They are so fun to find. I feel like most of the time our passions choose us. One or more ideas of love for something outside of ourselves, outside of being human. Being passionate does have its downsides. You know, sometimes you're so passionate that you feel pain for the thing you're passionate about. But there's also a sense of magic to it. The love of whatever it is and the excitement, and we need to not forget our passions. Always hold on to it and keep working towards it, because eventually you're gonna get there. Check out this female red-winged blackbird. She was building a nest, but unfortunately I didn't catch her in time. but she was still just defending her little area. It was really neat to see. I still can't get over these grackles just bathing on the side of the pond or swamp or whatever it was you want to call it. They were just having the time of their lives, and it was freaking adorable. This male cardinal was following us around for a minute. Didn't get the greatest shot, but with how bright a cardinal is, you can definitely tell what's going on over there. This purple dead nettle was growing right out of the rocks. They're a part of the mint family. And then at our second location, there was wintergreen everywhere. It was super cool. Out of this fallen tree, there's a whole bunch of plants coming out of it. And if you look close, you can also see that a squirrel has been sitting here eating, or a chipmunk, or some other sort of rodent. And that's just really neat. These are old ghost pipes, which are not a fungus, not a flower. I don't know what they are, but they're really cool. Is it gonna come up? There's one.
Oh, there's a couple. Oh, hi guys. You guys are the babies. I'm gonna move the leaf.
Under the same log. Oh, it ran away. It was so tiny. There's another one over here. So the redbacks.
Okay, I'm not gonna bother you.
So this is kind of hard to see, but it's really neat. If you look right through here, and it crosses across through there, that's a game trail, like a deer trail, where they come through all the time. Nature is just absolutely amazing. I mean, just look at this tree. It's rusty red brown, and the trunk goes up forever. Of course, we had to stop for a little break, enjoy the view, and just do a little journaling. Believe it or not, this is the only mushroom we found. I believe it's called a horseshoe mushroom. The day was beautiful. The trail was beautiful. I can't get enough of this place. It was my first time visiting, and I will definitely be back. We even saw deer tracks along the trail. Now get ready. The video is almost over. We do have some blooper reels. I appreciate you joining me, and I hope you have a great day. Marshmallow doesn't want to play. That one's going in the blooper reel. Hi, Marshmallow. Oh, goodbye.